Thank you. Hello, my dear students. Very good afternoon to you. This is Sundar Rabindranathan here. Hey guys, what is happening? How are you? Hi Shivam. Hi Kamila. Hi Anubhav. Guys, lovely to see all of you. Welcome to the session. We are going to continue animations. See, you know why I did this? Initially, last time when I was dealing with the animation, last session, many of you are saying, sir, all is fine. But two problems happened. One was, wherever we caught the carrot, we saw multiple carrots appearing, right? This is one. Two is we also had, you guys were requesting for a point system. Sir, we want to know points, how to score, how to create a scoreboard, etc. Correct? So I thought, okay, let me extend that session, teach you guys certain very interesting ways in which we can make it like a typical game. That was the idea behind it. Hello Pranav, welcome to Vedantu Young Wonders. Thank you so much for joining this session. It's a pleasure. Sangeeta Parmaker, I responded to almost all the mail. I don't know. I'm very sorry if I have not responded. I'll look into it and respond. Just please resend it so that it gets at the top of my inbox. Hello Rohan. Hi Kashvi. Good. Rockstar. ICSC solution. Good guys. Hey guys, welcome to the session. As I said, we're going to continue with the animation. Be ready, and I want you guys to do with me as well. Okay? Be ready. Here we go. Let me move on. By the way, if there are students who are new to the session, guys, today we have a mentee also. Last session we did not have time, so I had to kind of skip the mentee. We will never do that. Okay? Today we'll have mentee as well. All right. So guys, now if you are a newcomer to this channel, let me tell you, Vedantu Young Wonders is for students between 6th, 7th and 8th grades. These 3 grades, okay? 6th and 8th. And all sessions that we take are live sessions, the way you are witnessing it now. And you also have quizzes at the end of live sessions. Today we have a session, at the end quiz. Every session will be like this. And academically, we handle math, science, social and English grammar. 4 subjects. Non-academically, we have Spell Bee, we have coding series, we have how does it work, and we also have Vedic maths. Guys, and one surprise thing which is about to come, one GK quiz is going to happen every week going forward. So I'm trying to work out on the timings. So one GK quiz as well. So that is on the cards, probably from coming week. Yeah, I'm sure you will love it, right? Quiz on IPL, quiz on space, quiz on Harry Potter, all that stuff. Yeah? Okay. Hi Vasant. Hi Shivanshu. Hi Sunita Rao. Great. Lovely guys. So that's what this channel is all about. A fascinating channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Right? Okay guys, are you guys ready to continue the animations? So I'm going to show everything once again, but a little faster. So because we have already done this, I want you guys to be on your top now. Okay? Be ready. Ready all of you? Give me a yo so that I share my screen. Guys, I will disappear for some time. All of you know about it. I will disappear for some time, and today we will add points to it. Okay? Mentee is very much there, guys. Okay, super. Giga quiz, I'm trying to work out the timing. Probably I'll keep it like 3 o'clock. Okay? I'll let you know. But only one per week. Right now I don't have time, guys. I'm suffocating. Trust me. Superb. Artib, it's okay, Artib. It will be self-explicable, okay? Don't worry. Right, guys. Now moving on. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to disappear for some time. Let me go to sprites. Okay. So here we go. My dear kids, you will be able to see only my voice. You will be able to hear my voice. For now, I have just made myself invisible so that you are able to view the full screen. Okay. Right. So now what do we do? Let's quickly first make the bunny movable. So first, when the program is run, we will create a bunny. We will create it in one corner. I want the bunny to be in one corner. Set the size for the bunny. Guys, I'm sure all of you set the size for the bunny. Let me make it like, yeah, this is okay, perfect. Now, I also, guys, remember initially before you start the game, the point should be 0, correct? So let's set a small variable, any container where we keep 0 as the value. So I'm going to variables, choosing, let I be the variable. Set I to 0, right? Yeah. Set I to 0. So that means what? When you are starting the game, I will have the value 0. Because as of now, you have not got any. This time, let's not have carrots. Let's have apples. Okay? Right. Now, so when you run, this is what is going to happen initially. Bunny will be there. I will be 0. Clear? Now, we have to create 4 key press behaviors. Alright. So, 4 events which we have to create and attach it with the regular behavior. So first go to events. If during the game, if you are pressing up arrow, which is up key is pressed, let's create a behavior. Sprite will begin. So if up key is pressed, sprite will begin doing something. It has to go up, right? The bunny should go up if you are pressing the up arrow. Now, so let's go to behavior, create a behavior called go up. Okay, so under go up, what are we going to do? Let's do a logic. If up key is pressed, then what I am going to do? I am going to go up. Sprite should go up. Cool. So now we are done with the up arrow. So now let me run and see. Oh, sorry, I have not attached it. Behavior, go up, go up, go up. It's here. Attaching the behavior here. So when up key is pressed, please begin go up behavior. So under go up, we are asking the sprite to go 10 pixels toward north, which is up direction. See here now. Wow, super. It's working. Hey guys, are you following me? I have to stop often and check with you. Is everyone following me? Okay, there are some newcomers. Guys, you have to go to code.org and under create, you have to go to Sprite Lab. I repeat, you have to go to code.org. Under create, you have to choose Sprite Lab. Then you will get the screen. Okay. All right, kids. Right. So now up arrow is ready. Now let's do one for next event. It should be down arrow. When down arrow is pressed, quickly go create a behavior for down arrow. Press down. Press down, and there we will have a logic. If down arrow is pressed, quickly go to the logic. If down arrow is pressed, we are going to move the sprite towards the south direction. south direction. Cool. We are ready. Now let's check. When down arrow is pressed, sprite will begin. Hey guys, lot of you are moving out. What is happening? Are you following what I am saying? Kids, do you have any questions? Atul, this is a continuation of the previous session. I think that is why you are finding it difficult. Now, first, once we create 4 events, all we have to do is quickly have the scorecard in place. Okay. So now, quickly, guys, let me complete all the 4. Be ready. Begins, press down. Press down or go down? Yeah, press down. Ready? Now I'm running it. It should go up and down. Up, down. See here, what did I do? Let's go to the behavior. It's not up arrow, it's down arrow. Right. Cool? Ready? Okay guys, now similarly for right arrow and left arrow, let me check. Guys, what is the question? Subramanyam, just now I was explaining, right? You have to go to code.org and under Sprite Lab will be there. Click on create, click on Sprite Lab, you will get this screen. Okay guys, if you are not having a laptop, then the experience might be a bit challenging for you. All right. Right. Now, quickly going on to the next event, which is left arrow. Let me create the behavior. Sprite will begin doing something. What is that? Sprite begins moving left, right? Go left. And here I am attaching an action. Move towards left is west. Running it now. So go attach the behavior, go left. Cool. Similarly for right arrow as well. Guys, if you watch, I have not put the if clause here to check. Let's see. So similarly, when right arrow is pressed, event right arrow is pressed, go to a behavior, sprite begins a behavior, the behavior where let it move to east. Close it. Now attach the behavior here. Go right. What did I do? Go right. So name the behavior, go right. Create the behavior. Action, please move it towards right, which is east. So guys, what are we doing here? We are creating 4 events for 4 different key presses. Left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So that the bunny is able to move freely. This is the point. I didn't attach it. Go right. Yeah. Running it. Why is continuously going? Because guys, remember all of you, I want to explain something. If you look at go left and go right, I did not put the if statements. Because of which it is continuing. It's a behavior. It continues doing it. So that is why you have to validate with the if clause. So that if you press, the moment you release the press, it stops. Are you understanding all of you? The moment you release the press, the sprite should stop moving, right? That is why the if clause is essential. So I am adding a if clause here. See here. If the key press is left, I am not taking this at all. Right? Now left will work properly. Similarly, you have to use key right also. Hey, code.org is perfectly safe here. It is from Google. Don't worry about it. Similarly, go right also I am adding what? I am adding the if clause. Remove it. Go to logic. Take this uppers pressed. Add it. Tick right. Now moving here. Okay guys. Now we have done this. This is what we did till now, right? Last time. Now let's add the actual part. So now you are able to see left, right. Comfortably it is moving. So everything is done with respect to bunny. Now all we have to do is add a caret. Add a caret at some random location at the top. So when we run this, let's add a caret also. So sprite, make a new sprite. Let's not be caret. Let that be apple. Apple. And for apple also we will set the size. Set apple size. Clear. Ready? So now I am running both caret as well as apple will be there. Are you able to see that? Right? So apple and caret is there, but let me put the apple in some corner. Right. So guys, listen. Now what we have done, we have put a bunny and an apple in different corners diagonally, and we have 4 key press events. When up arrow is pressed, the behavior called, the sprite will behave in a behavior called go up. Inside that go up event, what have we done? We have validated which key is pressed and we move accordingly, the sprite accordingly. Clear? Right. Now, so similarly for all the 4 keys we have done that. Now what we have to do is, when the sprite touches the apple, what should it do? Okay. So the third part is when. So let me go to event and say when the sprite touches apple, bunny touches apple, what should it do? Guys, the moment it touches apple, that means we should add the point to 1 for the scoreboard. Correct? So first thing, I am adding the score. Let me add the score. Score. How do I add it? All of you watch very carefully. Set the variable. Our variable was I, right? I was the 0. Set variable to where is I? It's here. So I will be I plus 1 because once it is 1 second. Guys, this is the important part. So what have we done? Once the bunny touches caret, points should increase by 1. So what are we doing here? Alright. We are adding I which is 0, adding 1. So I will become 1 now. Whenever bunny touches the caret. Then we make, the apple. When we make the, then we make the apple disappear. So now let me go to actions. Remove. There will be an option called remove. I think it will be in sprites itself. Yeah, remove. This is where we made the mistake. after incrementing the apple or the carrot, remove it. Remove it. Probably let's add some sound also, guys. Add a sound and remove, right? Let's make it interesting. Sound. Let's put a nice sound. It's an event. So guys, what are we doing here? Give me a minute. I think it's here. So when the bunny goes and touches the apple, that is the scoreboard, increases by 1 because one apple has been caught. We have some very nice eating sound. Let's choose the sound. What sound will you have? Nature sound. No. I don't want these sounds. Let's go to all categories. Choose some animal sounds. I'll choose. Rabbit is not there. Huh? Okay, we'll choose a lamb sound. Alright. So now what have we done? Our bunny and apple are ready. 4 events for different up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow are ready. And we have created behaviors when the key is pressed attached to the event also. We have also incremented the counter by 1. So I will be first 0. Once you capture one apple, it will be 1, 2, 3, etc. It keeps going. Correct? Now guys, let's see what's happening. Okay. So then we have to add one more apple, correct, at a random location. So after removing this apple, let's create one apple at a random location. Random apple, so that the next apple comes. I want a random location, not here. I want a location which is random. So guys, now see here, I'm running. Oh, size we have to set. So every time I touch the apple, the scoreboard will increase. Correct? I will increase. Now let me set the size. Size is different. Now it doesn't look good. Let me set the size of the apple to 50. Right. So guys, everything is done. Now what should I do? 1 minute we'll play this game. After 1 minute, we will say game over and show the points. Ready, all of you? If you guys are ready and if you are able to follow this carefully, give me a yo. If there are questions, put it. Let me see. Because since I am invisible, I don't know what is your feel. Coco Shri, it is code.org. Okay. Code.org. Yashvi Srivastava, I'm sorry, beta. Sorry, I could not respond. I was in the session, right? I could not see the chats. Yeah, don't worry, the scoreboard will come now. Lovely to see almost all of you are following it. So now, see here, there is an option called, where is it? Where is it? Hold on guys, hold on. So now let's add a logic. If if we will take the time, how much time it has taken. Where is that option? Timing. It's called time measure. That block is called time measure. Yeah. Are you able to see here? If time in seconds, that means so many seconds, 1 minute we'll play this. If time in seconds is greater than or equal to 60, greater than or equal to 60. One second. Time. Where is it? Variable, right? It is. No. Yeah. If time in seconds is greater than or equal to 60, that means if 60 seconds have gone, please show the title screen. Please show the title screen saying game over. Game over. And under the subtitle, right, we will print I. Or we will say join. Sorry. There is an option called join, right? Join. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Be there. This is getting very interesting. Hold on. There is an option called join here. Where is it? Yeah. So, show time over. Put the subtitle. We'll put the subtitle points earned. Guys, I repeat, points earned. You will have to look at this session a couple of times, then only you will also understand. Points earned, and then at the next level, let's put the I. Right? Then at the next level, I am putting I, printing I. Where is I? Variable I, yes. So guys, what did I do? I am checking once, the bunny is touching apple. Every time bunny is touching apple, I am checking the time. Any time that seconds is more than 60, I am showing the title screen game over, and then it will also show as a subtitle points earned, and it will show I. What is the value of I? So 1 minute game now. Are you ready? Shall I run it and try? Give me a yo. Is everyone following me? Guys, once again I repeat, what did we do? Bunny, apple, both the corners diagonally, and 4 events we created. Up arrow, if you just press, what should we do? We created a behavior. We attached sprite will begin this behavior called as go up. Alright, down arrow, if it is pressed, similarly go down, another behavior. Left arrow, right arrow. Now when you run it, alright, there is a counter initially which we are setting as 0. Every time the sprite touches the apple, there is a condition. Another event, when sprite touches the apple, first we are incrementing I by 1 because 1 apple is caught already. Alright. And 2, we are removing, making the apple disappear, and then, right, adding another apple at another random location. Then we are measuring if time slice, how much time has left, is greater than or equal to 60 seconds. It will show game over and show points earned, and it will show I. So within that 1 minute, whatever are the number of apples you have captured, that will be your number of points. Are you clear with this? Guys, if you are clear, give me a yo. I want to see how many understood, how many did not understand. Yeah, we'll do that. Don't worry. Hi Vaishnavi, hello. Sanjana Mishra, what happened, beta? Vandana Allu, I just explained, right? Avani Anand, beta, it's pretty simple, guys. But you have to practice. That's when you will understand. The point is, first you have to ensure you create those two sprites, bunny, apple. And then you have to create 4 key press events. When up arrow is pressed, what do you do? Down arrow is pressed, what do you do? Events, 4 events. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Once under every event, you have to attach a behavior. If up arrow is pressed, sprite will be in this behavior. So what behavior? You have to create a behavior, whatever name you can give. And under that, you have to say, if up arrow is pressed, please make sure sprite moves north by 10 pixels. Similarly, that should come under behavior. And that behavior should be attached under sprite begins. Clear? Okay, now what are we doing? So when we start the program itself, we have a variable, a container, which will maintain. Take it as a person, a score bearer who will watch the score. Initially, he will have 0. Like an umpire, every time an apple is caught, you are increasing that person's value by 1. Alright, +1, +1, +1, he'll keep adding. At the end, whatever is the score that we get, 60 seconds are over, it will show game over and show the points. Now let's try it. Are you eager? Let's check. Study Tech, Deepu, you have to go to code.org and go to Sprite Lab. Okay guys, I'm running it, check it. Okay. Wow. So I'll play for 1 minute. After that, ideally it should stop me. Let's check how many it is getting. Is it still not 1 minute? Oh, so much time. Hey guys, is it 1 minute now? Woohoo, look there. Game over, 39 points earned. Awesome, right? Superb. Hey guys, are you getting it, all of you? Wow. So now we have created a game. This is truly an animation where, like this, you guys can improve on this game a lot, guys. You can make it very professional and then publish it. Okay. Code.org. Guys, I want you to look at this session as many times as possible. So now you know how we have to maintain the, the scoreboard, right? Now you know the knack. Kids, I hope you liked it. See, I know that there are a few of you who are feeling a little uncomfortable because you did not understand. I'm very, very sorry about it, but we don't have an option. For people who are a little struggling, you have to look at this session again and again. That is the only way out. You will find that you will be able to understand it. Despite this, if you have any questions, feel free to write to me, sundar.r@vedantu.com. Sir, I did not understand this. sundar.r@vedantu.com. But before writing to me, please watch the previous session. That is when you will also have context. If you have direct listens, animation part 2, right? You would have seen the thumbnail already. So if you are clear, hats off. Great job. All the very best. Do a rocking job. Jury, please write to me. What do you know? But before that, please watch the previous session. You will understand what this is all about. How to create this game also. And guys, by the way, this is the 8th session. 8 sessions we have already done. So that is the reason, if you have watched from the beginning, you will have a lot of context to it. Still, it's okay. It's self-explicable. All you have to do is you guys have to watch it. That's it. Clear? Okay, homework. Create a beautiful scoreboard. Okay, let me put it this way. I want you to create a scoreboard with this real time. For every apple, it should show me. What are you going to do? Let's see. All right. It need not be bunny, apple. See, don't follow what I follow, guys. You pick whatever you want. I thought bunny apple will be interesting. I created. You pick whatever you want. Okay? Right. So, guys, are you ready for a mentee now? Give me a yo if you are ready for a mentee. We are done with the animation. Ahinda Sen, it is code.org. That's the website. All right. I am back. Hi, Hima. Space War is the first program. All of you know that, right? Devjit. If it is left and right arrow not generally working, generally your behavior name or somewhere you have made a mistake in behavior name. Just check that. Or you would not have attached the behavior. Just check that. Okay, guys. Starting a mentee now. All right. I want the newcomers or everyone to go to mentee.com. M-E-N-T-I. Mentee.com. Yes, mentee.com. And type the code. Once you go to mentee.com, the website, open another browser, okay? There you can type it. It will ask you for a code. The code for today's mentee is this session 7935750. 7935750. 7935750. Deepu, if you want to change the speed of the sprite, how many pixels you are giving? Move north by 10 pixels you are giving. If you make it 15, it will be very fast. 20, very, very fast. The number of pixels you have to increase. Simple. Clear? PMR Hindi Gaming. Why not? We can always do anything, guys. If you are very strong in programming. Okay. Guys, 30 seconds. First question I'm going to ask. So join fast. Apurva, you're having exams. All the best. Homework I have already given you guys. You have to create your own game. Probably pick something else with the scoreboard, real-time scoreboard. Okay? Right. Now, guys, first question on your screen now. Join fast. Question number 1. Patel Man, hi. Today at 6:30 study light. SST session is always at 6:30 in the evening. Alright guys, time up. First question on your screen. 7 questions are there, so you got to move fast. Dash is basically a form of pictorial presentation, a picture which is presented. Photography, animation, drawing, creativity. Simple, right? You know, first question is always what we are dealing with, right? Kushi. I don't know what to do. Let me figure it out, okay? Okay, 130 of you got it right. So, leaderboard, Kovida, Agam, Magical Rhino, Kushi, Apurv. Devjit, Kanak, Tripto, Pratik, Wolfmeister. Awesome, guys. Here we go. Question number 2. Multi-plane camera was introduced by Walt Disney. Is it true? True or false? Multi-plane camera. Time is running, guys. $142 of you is right. Okay, great. See, guys, multi-plane camera. 142 of you got it right. It's like nowadays cameras are capable of capturing multiple frames in a second, right? Even in a fraction of a second. First multi-plane camera was introduced by Walt Disney. Agam, Kanak, Kushi, Siddesh, Dripto, Arpan, Srivant, Baluni, Casper, Vishwa. Question number 3. Study light, code for micro courses in the sense? Yes, it refers to the simulation motion pictures showing movement of drawn objects. Motion, animation, VR, SMD. How many of you chose animation? Simple. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Mahaling Swami. Generally, it doesn't happen like that, beta. It will come. He made the first animated film in 1906. Walt Disney, Stuart Blackton, William Horner, Ferdinand Plateau. Walt Disney, good. How did you guys choose the wrong answer? So many of you have chosen Walt Disney. Okay, Agam, Siddesh, Montana, Srivant, Om, Anushka, Tame, Nehal, Kushi and Koda. Stuart Blackton, guys. Stuart Blackton is the father of animation. Okay, awesome. So, Aham is at the top. Question number 5. Name the first animation film. Humorous faces or funny faces. Tom and Jerry, Mickey Mouse, How I Learned Animations. The first animation film. I think it happened in which year? I forgot actually. 50s I think. Not very clear. First animation film. No, you guys are wrong. It's not Tom and Jerry or Mickey Mouse. It is humorous faces or funny faces. Not bad, guys. Most of you got it right as well. I'm happy. Great job. So, Millie, Montana, when starting space series, Siddesh, Casper, Prashamsa. When starting space series, Srivanth, Anoop, Ajitesh and Hola Hop. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. So question number 6, just one more to go after this. Hi Bhargav, I am fine. Dash animation is used to animate things that are smaller than life size. There is one type of animation. Immersive, clay motion, stop motion, augmented. Probably this is something new for you guys, but try answering. One type of animation is used to animate things which are super small in size. Beast, let's check. Beast Gamer. Stop motion animation. It's called stop motion animation. The focus and the zoom is very high in these animations. Okay, by the way. 60 of you got it right. Now that makes Millie, Prashamsa, Srivanth, Wolfmeister, Vikalp. Okay, there is a change. Willie, Montana, Prashamsa, Srivanth and Wolfmeister. Top 5. Anushka, Vikap, LC, Kush and Kushi. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, closure question. Here we go. Oh no, I told this, right? My God. The father of animation. Who is it? Walt Disney, Stuart Blackton, William Homer, Ferdinand Plateau. I never knew this question is there as a quiz. Okay. Guys, I gave the answer itself. So many are choosing wrong. Before 2 questions, I just gave this answer. How come so many are choosing it wrong? Stuart Blackton, I said just before 2 questions, he said, Stuart Blackton, he is the father of animation, I told you guys. Who is winning now? Is it Millie? Yeah, looks like Millie. Millie, Montana. Mianda, you didn't know. It's okay. Millie won the quiz. 6969, fancy number. Great job, Millie. Many congratulations to you. Montana, Srivanth, Vikalp. Oh my God. Wolfmeister, I forgot that name. K. Who is it? Siddesh. Neil. Hey Neil, I think it is starting this week itself. Space series is starting this week. Anoop, Prashamsa. Great job, guys, for making it to the leaderboard. Keep it up. Hey guys, I hope you guys liked the session today. By the way, if you want to take up full-fledged coding, you want to become a master in coding, Vedantu has a super coders program, guys. Unbelievably very, very exhaustive, comprehensive program taught by the best of teachers. Okay. So note down this link. This link is for a free demo. vdnt.in/gkxhh. vdnt.in/gkxhh. This is, I'm sorry. Hi, Beast Gamer. Yeah, I closed it. This is a completely free demo. You can take it up and then decide if you want to go deeper into it. Lovely one, guys. Don't miss it, okay? Maximum of you can participate. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the session. People who found it a little, challenging, please watch the previous sessions. because it might have happened because you are not able to align with the way we were going ahead with this session. Previous session, if you have missed, this would be a bit difficult. So watch the previous session and this session. Luckily, we have you have all access to the recordings, right? All right. So guys, hit the like button and let us know if you like this session. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. We are working for you all the time. Thank you so much, guys. Lovely teaching you today. I will meet you at 6:30 in the evening. Until then, this is myself, Sundar Rabindranath, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.